A good place to start. The 1966 E-Type that was involved in a head-on collision approximately 2 weeks ago now. I've got the bonnet has been removed. You can see the radiator is off, and there's the bonnet that's now on the ground. You can see a bit of the damage. Obviously the air cleaner was fixed perfectly fine. You can see through here, that shows you how much the whole engine and frame has been shifted. It's not as dramatic here, but looking down this side, if you look at the way the wheel is against all the way down the side of the car, you can see it's over about 10 or 12 inches or so, and then not so much over here. It looks pretty good. So, but it's the impact zone was all across here. So the picture frame, which is the front piece here, has been crushed. I did use my plasma cutter and I cut the radiator hanger off, and there's some more of the damage. You can see the brake control system was moved. There's quite a bit at any rate. This is just the beginning of the teardown. I'll try and document as much as I can as I go through of the teardown of the engine and the car and the rebuilding. There's again.